Hey guys, are you one to buy best magnetic charging cables? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best magnetic charging cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at Ankndo magnetic charging cable. The Ankndo magnetic charging cable offers a smart, flexible charging solution with its 540 rotation design 360. Magnetic head rotation and 180 bend allow effortless use at any angle. Featuring 3 Ankndo 1 compatibility, micro USB, Type-C, and iProduct tips. One cable can charge almost any device, simplifying your setup at home or on the go. Strong magnetic tips ensure a secure connection, while one-hand operation makes it ideal for drivers, seniors, and those with limited vision. The dust-proof magnetic interface helps protect your device's port and prolongs its life, while the soft LED light makes nighttime use easy without disturbing your sleep. With multiple cable lengths 3 feet to 10 feet, it suits every environment from the car to the couch. Asterisk note: supports charging only, not data transfer or CarPlay, Android Auto. Reliable, versatile, and user-friendly. It's a great pick for daily charging needs. Now our second product is Aufu USB magnetic charging cable. The Aufu 16-pin magnetic USB-C charging cable offers a premium, handcrafted solution designed for fast charging and reliable data transfer. Featuring a unique 16-pin flathead design, it fits snugly into phone cases and ensures a secure, stable connection. Compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices, including iPhone 16 15 series, Galaxy S24, S23, S22, and Google Pixel models. This cable supports 480 Mbps data transfer, making it 2 to 3x faster than standard Wi-Fi. The magnetic tip doubles as a dust cover when not in use, protecting your device's port. Built with durable nylon braiding and tinned copper wiring, it withstands over 50,000 bends and prevents overheating and signal loss. The package includes multiple cable lengths 3.3 feet and 2 6.6 feet, 3 USB-C tips, and a removal tool. Asterisk note: not compatible with other magnetic tips or 2 for PIN models. Ideal for users seeking speed, durability, and convenience. Our third product is Terasako magnetic charging cable. This 3-in-1 magnetic charging cable set offers convenience, safety, and versatility for everyday use. Featuring a 360 rotating magnetic head and built-in LED light, it's easy to connect your device even in the dark, perfect for drivers, the elderly, children, or anyone with limited mobility. The universal design includes micro USB, Type-C, and iProduct tips, making it compatible with most devices. No need to carry multiple cables, ideal for cars, offices, or travel. One-hand operation allows safe plug-in and removal, especially useful while driving, making it a great choice for Uber and Lyft drivers. The magnetic tip also acts as a dust cover, protecting your phone's charging port. This super value pack includes 4 cables and 12 magnetic tips, 4 of each type. Backed by a 12-month warranty and friendly customer supports everything you need for a clean, efficient, and reliable charging experience. Now number 4. Terasako magnetic charging 5-pack cable. This magnetic charging cable set offers unmatched convenience. With a 360 rotatable head, allowing effortless one-handed operation, perfect for busy lifestyles or use while driving. The strong magnetic connection ensures a stable, uninterrupted charge without accidental disconnections. Designed for universal compatibility, it includes micro USB, Type-C, and iProduct tips, making it the only cable set you'll need for all your devices, with multiple cable lengths 3 feet, 6 feet, and 10 feet. It's ideal for use on the sofa, in bed, in the car, or anywhere you need flexible charging options. The Super Value Pack includes 5 magnetic cables and 12 magnetic tips, 4 of each type, all backed by a reliable 12-month warranty. Whether at home or on the go, this all-in-one charging solution is convenient, efficient, and built to last. And our last choice is Ankeanmade rotating magnetic cable, the Ankeanmade magnetic charging cable offers ultimate convenience and versatility. With its 540 rotation design 360 magnetic head rotation and 180 bend lets you easily find the right angle for any charging situation. Featuring a 3-in-1 connector system, micro USB, Type-C, and I product. This single cable supports most devices, making it ideal for home, office, or travel use. The strong magnetic connection ensures stable, one-handed operation, perfect for drivers, seniors, and those with limited mobility. Its LED light makes the cable easy to locate in the dark, while the magnetic tip also protects your device's port from dust and wear. With 7 cables of varying lengths, 1.6 feet to 10 feet, it offers flexibility for any charging scenario. Asterisk note, charging only, no data transfer or CarPlay, Android Auto support. A smart, durable, and user-friendly solution for simplified charging anywhere. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.